So you can see here, you've got this little join. I've just gone back and brought back that bit of the past. So I just did an undo to bring that back. And so I want to make it more like the real thing and take that piece on the side out, but leave the rest. So for that, I'm going to use a void, and I'm going to go to the left elevation to make it. And I'm going to then just go to create, void forms, and then void extrusion. And then I'm going to just draw a line, it's almost by eye, over the, you can see here, well not really actually, I'm tracing this line, because we've got it there. So yeah, I'll trace that line at that angle, but I'm going to come up a bit further than I need to. So there was a line there that I could trace. And then coming across here, it's a little bit harder, but you should be able to find a point. This you won't be able to snap to, but you don't need to. So there, and yeah. So I'm just trying to find the end of the curve almost. And yeah, that's right. That just use that. That's right. It is almost by eye. So that's my finished shape. Now, just bear with me, I'm going to have to test something. So I'm going to put in some values here in the properties panel. I'm going to make the start 100, and then I'll leave the end on 250. And I'm going to finish it. There we go, that's what I want. So when you finish it, if you look in the 3D view, it should be entirely outside what you've already made. And that will help you, because if you make it over the things you've made, it's going to cut them all. So it would cut the frame as well, and I don't want that. I only want to... Oh, you've got to finish it. So I'm actually click at the tick if you've got it. Yeah. Oh, but you've got something that's orange? Oh yeah, so just click to one side and it'll go orange. Yeah. Yeah. So that's fine, doesn't matter what it looks like. Yeah, that's fine, that's okay, as long as it's orange. So when it's orange, it means it's not cutting anything. If it's cutting something, you won't see it. And that's why often I'll make them like this. What I actually do, I was just trying to show you there the void tool as well, but in practice what I would do is make a normal extrusion, and you can turn any extrusion into a void afterwards. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because then you can see it before you make it a void, which makes it easier. But this works as well. So now I'm going to select it and then just use the arrow on the side there to stretch that over the leather. Just the side, just up to here. So you can orbit while you're doing that. And if it's a little bit off, that's actually okay. It just needs to look right. You don't need to worry too much about measurements here. It'll tell you if it doesn't want to do it, and then you can adjust it. So just like that. No, that's all right, not yet. But I'm still not going to cut it yet. I'm going to go to the plan view and then mirror. So you can always, if you adjust it in plan, it might be easier. So you can stretch it there and then you can see the edge. I'm trying to get the edge of it in line with the edge of the leather, where the leather starts to dip. And so now I've made it, I'm going to use mirror pick axis to flip it over the axis onto the other side. Now notice how when I mirrored, it did automatically cut the leather. That was a fluke, but it's done the right thing. So I'm going to do it manually though on this side, and I'll finish up after that. But yep, that's it. Pretty much, yeah. So you're mirroring over that centre line, but yeah, otherwise, yeah. I'll show you how to uncut it. That's all right. So here though, I'm going to cut it. So you've got below, also above the join tool, you've got the cut tool, and then I can choose the void, and then my leather, and it's cutting that. Okay, so I'll finish it there, but